What's up, YouTube? Reefy here, back at you, part 3, Ratchet and Clank Future Tools of Destruction. Last video, you know, Ratchet and Clank crash land on a planet. They explore the city for a bit and then meet somebody, right? So then they ask, yo, can you help us get back home, whatever? The dude agrees, says yes. Next you know, he drops Ratchet and Clank off right here in the city. With that out of the way, let's get this started. Well, let's see what weapons this guy got for us. Oh, the Predator launcher. This gun right here is one of my favorite weapons in the game, but we gonna buy it later. Yeah, I can promise you that. Anyway, let's get started. Pull out that fusion grenade real quick. Boom, boom. Kill these robots. Kill these robots. Alright, let's take care of these guys real quick. Wow, I'm out of ammo already. Time to pull out this gun, I guess. You know what? Let's throw a Groovatron in there real quick. Hit him with the plasma beast. Alright, got a skill point. I don't remember what skill points do off the top of my head, unfortunately. Let's go down here, get these crates. Get that. Oh, this guy. I think he has new devices. This right here is Confuzzler gas, and what it does, it makes your enemies fight each other instead of you. Let's try him out. Next time we see enemies, we're gonna use them. Alright. Trying to get more bolts so I can get more weapons. Oh.
Perhaps we should try using one of our devices against that cyclo cannon.
Oh, don't die, don't die. Alright, good, I didn't die.
The Lombax is entering the city. Bombard the pedway. Nothing gets through.
Oh, we just got a new weapon.
The shock ravager uses electrical current to neutralize shielded enemies. To perform a whip attack, press the fire button.
Yeah, what she said. This weapon right here, one of my favorites in the game. And it cuts right through enemies with shields. Hold on, I need health. Let me hit him with a leech ball real quick. Wow, I don't have any ammo. Actually, let's use this. Let's use this Confuzzler gas. See what it does. All right, that didn't work. Pull out this real quick. Nope. Turn around. Alright, I need health. I don't know about you guys, but I need health. Do this real quick. Let me see if there's anything important in here. Oh yeah, yup, a raritanium chest. And some ammo. Alright, let's progress forward. Kill these clowns. And I just leveled up. I'm gonna actually level up at a better time. Alright, boom, boom, boom. Anything of importance over here? Nope, nothing. Oh, never mind. Fusion grenade him real quick. Feel me? Alright. Break these boxes real quick. Get some more ammo, get some more gears. I mean, why do I keep calling them gears? I mean bolts. Oh, I could have killed that guy right there, but whatever. Let's see if there's anything down here. Nope, no boxes, no ammo, nothing. Alright, swing across this using the swing shot. These blue ones right here pull you in automatically. The green ones, you just swing on them. Alright, we gotta wait for one of these things. Alright, make sure don't let go of circle when you're holding on to this, because you will fall. But I think you can catch yourself if you like press the circle button fast enough. Alright. Oops, I did not mean to use up any ammo.
Welcome to the
Let's
Grumman
upgrade a weapon or not. Let's get that fusion grenade upgraded. Let's do more damage. More damage. Bigger area. Oh, I don't have enough for more ammo, but whatever, that's fine. Actually, do I need more ammo?
Welcome to the Grumman Network.
Oh no, I'm full on ammo. Wow. Alright, take care of him. Take care of him too. Alright, now let's just swing across here. Boom. 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 Alright, let's take care of these guys. Alright.
He just took out
Take
two
care of them.
gunships. Alert the Emperor. Tell him we require reinforcements to snare the Lombax menace.
Alright, break those boxes. Let's move on up. Just keep on climbing. Oh, let's level up the combustor. Alright, we should level it up right after we kill this guy. I don't. Oh, there we go. Level 3. Alright, let's just jump up here, see if there's anything important up here. Nope, nothing. Anything up here? Nah. Oh! You know what? I'm not even gonna bother. Those guys are the most, probably some of the most annoying enemies in the game.
Attention, drop bits. Any trooper who allows the Lombax
Alright, let's go across here. Oh, I thought I was gonna fall right there. Get the shock ravage out, why not? Yeah, this thing is basically an electric whip. I feel like Ivy from Soul Calibur. Oh, look, it's another gelinator thing. Let's fill this up, why not?
Attention, drop bits. Any trooper who allows the Lombax.
Alright. Yeah, I think you only use it to get that rare titanium chest up there. I don't think there's any use for it in this stage. If there's a use, we gonna find it. Alright. Let's get that. That rare titanium, get over 100 rare titanium. That's mad rare titanium.
Attention, drop bits. Any trooper who allows
Oh yeah, you also use the gelinator to get up here. I guess that's why they put it up there. Alright, let's do this. Swing across here. Swing across here. These red things, just step on them and they light up. And boom, we can cross this bridge right here.
He's activated the bridge to Sector 5. Send in a
Alright,
dropship
let's keep
immediately.
going. Oh, that shock ravager. I got hit. Wow, I'm whack. Actually, let's put out a leech bomb. I need health. Yeah, this game can get kind of difficult sometimes, but it's a pretty easy game. But the later parts in the game get mad hard. Pause.
Electrical attacks are useless against an electrified enemy, Ratchet. Try a different weapon.
Yeah, what he said. What if an electrocuted enemy is electrified, then yeah, you're not really gonna damage him. But you know, I don't like following the rules. I'll do what I want. I'll do what I want, like little Uzi Vert. All right, go across here. Alright, let's fly across here too. Let's not get blown up by... Alright, let's not fall down there. Go on up here. Let's fly across here. Let me see. Do I still have... Yep, I still have gel in this thing. Probably gonna use it to get that chest up there. Jump up here. Jump up here. We got more leech bomb ammo. I needed that. Alright, let's do this. Might as well put this thing to use. I'm alright. Step on this, make it blow up. Throw the wrench. Alright, seems like we good on ammo. Alright, normally you're supposed to use that to zip line down there, but nah, I'm just gonna fly down here. Cause why not?
Attention, citizens of Stratus. To aid in the reconstruction of
This dude Tachyon's voice is not annoying, I'm not gonna lie.
migrant culture workers. For your own protection,
Anything down here? Anything? Nah, nothing down here. Alright, now let's just swing across here. To swing, you jump and press circle. And hold down the circle button to hold on.
Ratchet, those creatures are telling us to go inside that building.
Creatures? What creatures? Did you get your wires crossed in that crash? Clank, have you been modifying yourself in private?
Absolutely not. And I do not care much for your tone.
Alright, so these things right here, the robo wings, there's certain sections of the game, right, where you just jump on the launch pad and you just fly through these rings, literally. Press X to flap the wings, press triangle to deactivate them. Normally by default they'd have you control it with the 6-axis controls, but I don't like motion controls on this thing. It's way too sensitive, so I always turn the 6-axis off. Just control things with the analog stick. Yeah, we're gonna be going through these sections a lot in this game. So yeah, just try not to miss any rings, and you should be good. Alright, that's out of the way. You can just go back there and launch them if you want. Just gonna keep moving forward. Now we're in the Hall of Knowledge.
Lock it down and rub him out before he accesses classified information.
You know what?
Welcome to the criminal network.
I'm about to buy the Predator launcher. This is probably one of my favorite weapons in the game.
Press and hold the fire button to lock onto enemy targets. Then let go to launch Predator missiles.
Yeah, what the narrator just said. Oh yeah, also we got swimming section. You press square to dive. Press X to surface. There's a way to go faster, I just don't remember how. It's R1. Alright. Just go up.
Any attempt to learn more on these premises will result in permanent confinement in Zordoon prison.
Get these bolts real quick. Alright, this is how the wait, that's not the Predator launcher. Here it is. That's how the Predator launcher works. It locks on the enemies and shoots a missile at them. Really good weapon. Especially when you level it up more. And the more enemies you have around, the more missiles it'll shoot. Alright, so for this part right here, we just gotta go up here, activate these lights. Let's just dive faster so you can swim faster. Step on this. Dive. Just keep on going, keep on swimming.
Attention, citizen. The knowledge in this hall is protected by traps and puzzles so deviously complex that they will fuse your neural pathways.
That other way is gonna open a hole down there. We just go inside that hole.
Turn back immediately.
Alright. Go this way. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming like Dory from Finding Nemo.
Citizen. You appear to be more clever than we
And those things right there, those are
but the
bombs. Don't
security
touch them,
measures
else
in
they
this
can hurt
level
you.
of the facility are far more devious than the last. Spare yourself
As if that wasn't obvious, but you know.
Turn back now.
See, more enemies you got, the more it locks on. It's good for like if you want to like run away and stuff, but if there are no enemies around, you can't use it. Which it's not a problem, you know. Alright. Are those jellyfish looking things? Do they hurt you? I don't remember if they do or not.
This is your final
But that's not
warning.
important. Let's just turn
The
this bolt
knowledge
right here.
contained in this hall has been classified as a threat to the Empire. Any attempt to enter the Imperial map room will result in a very painful and irreversible death.
Alright, that causes these jellyfish looking things to rise up. You step on them, press X again to... Oh my god. Press X again to jump off of them. You just go up here.
He's in the ventilation shaft above the map room. We cannot
Let me see if I can go in here. Yep, I got it. And I got more leech bomb ammo. Always gotta try to explore. Alright, let's take care of these dweebs real quick. Boom. Got him. Boom. Boom. Literally boom. Alright. They're taken care of. Oh, never mind. There's another one. Alright. Take care of him. Now we got a cutscene.
Great, we're trapped. So why did we come here again? Clank?
Planet Fastoon. Interesting.
Why?
Well, according to the database, it is a Lombax planet.
Download the coordinates. We'll take the escape pod.
But Ratchet, the database also says...
There's no time. Come on.
Entering Fastoon. Touching down in 5, 4. Oops, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, with that being said, this is going to be the end of part 3, Ratchet and Clank Future Tools of Destruction. Thank you so much for watching. You guys take care, and I'll see you next time.